Did you know that self-awareness is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving your goals? Welcome to today's video, where we will dive deep into how you can build self-awareness like a pro to master your mindset and crush your goals. Many people struggle to understand themselves fully, leading to obstacles in personal growth and goal achievement. Without self-awareness, it's challenging to make progress and fulfill your true potential. In this video, we will explore the importance of self-awareness, how to identify your strengths and weaknesses, and strategies to enhance self-reflection. By understanding yourself better, you can make informed decisions, set realistic goals, and work towards achieving them effectively. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of personal growth and success. It enables you to understand your strengths and weaknesses, make informed decisions, and build a mindset that drives you toward your goals. In this guide, we'll explore strategies to enhance self-awareness, master your mindset, and achieve your ambitions. 1. Understanding self-awareness 1.1. What is self-awareness? Definition: self-awareness is the ability to recognize and understand your emotions, thoughts, and behaviors, and how they influence your life. Types of self-awareness. Internal self-awareness, knowing your values, passions, aspirations, and how they align with your behavior. External self-awareness, understanding how others perceive you and how your actions impact those around you. 1.2. Importance of self-awareness. Emotional intelligence enhances your ability to manage emotions and relationships effectively. Personal growth identifies areas for improvement and development. Decision-making informs better choices aligned with your goals and values. 2. Developing self-awareness. 2.1. Self-reflection. Daily journaling. Reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and actions each day. Mindfulness meditation. Practice being present and observing your inner state without judgment. 2.2. Seeking feedback. Constructive criticism. Encourage honest feedback from trusted friends, family, or colleagues. 360-degree feedback. Use formal feedback tools to gain insights from multiple perspectives. 2.3. Personality assessments tools. Use assessments like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, Enneagram, or DISC profile to understand your personality traits. Application. Apply the insights from these assessments to understand your behaviors and preferences. 3. Mastering your mindset. 3.1. Growth mindset versus fixed mindset. Growth mindset. Belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. Fixed mindset. Belief that abilities and intelligence are static and unchangeable. 3.2. Cultivating a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities to grow and learn. Learn from criticism. Use constructive criticism as a tool for improvement. Persist through obstacles. Develop resilience and perseverance in the face of setbacks. Celebrate effort. Recognize and reward effort, not just outcomes. 3.3. Positive self-talk affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce self-belief and confidence. Reframing. Reframe negative thoughts into positive, empowering ones. Visualization. Visualize your success and the steps needed to achieve your goals. 4. Setting and achieving goals. 4.1. SMART goals specific. Define clear, specific objectives. Measurable. Establish criteria to measure progress and success. Achievable. Set realistic and attainable goals. Relevant. Ensure goals align with your values and long-term objectives. Time-bound. Set deadlines to create a sense of urgency and motivation. 4.2. Breaking down goals. Action steps. Divide larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Milestones. Set intermediate milestones to track progress and celebrate achievements. Prioritization. Focus on high-impact activities that move you closer to your goals. 4.3. Accountability. Accountability partner. Share your goals with someone who can provide support and hold you accountable. Regular check-ins. Schedule regular check-ins to review progress and adjust plans as needed. Self-tracking. Use tools like habit trackers, apps, or journals to monitor your progress. 5. Overcoming obstacles. 5.1. Identifying obstacles. Self-limiting beliefs. Recognize and challenge beliefs that hinder your progress. External barriers. Identify external factors that may be preventing you from achieving your goals. 5.2. Strategies for overcoming obstacles. Problem solving. Develop a proactive approach to solving problems and finding solutions. Adaptability. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plans as circumstances change. Support system. Build a strong support network of friends, family, and mentors. 5.3. Building resilient stress management. Practice techniques such as deep breathing, exercise, and meditation to manage stress. Positive outlook. Maintain a positive outlook and focus on solutions rather than problems. Learning from failure. Treat failures as learning experiences and opportunities for growth. 6. Case studies and examples. 6.1. Real-life success stories. Entrepreneurs learn from entrepreneurs who have overcome significant obstacles to achieve success. Athletes study how top athletes build mental toughness and resilience. Artists understand how artists channel their creativity and persist through challenges. 6.2 Lessons learned. Common themes. Identify common themes and strategies used by successful individuals. Application. Apply these lessons to your own journey towards self-awareness and goal achievement. 7. Maintaining progress. 7.1 Continuous improvement. Lifelong learning. Commit to continuous learning and personal development. Adaptation. Regularly assess your goals and strategies and make adjustments as needed. 7.2 Celebrating success. Recognition. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, both big and small. Reward. Reward yourself for reaching milestones to maintain motivation. 7.3 Reflecting on growth. Regular reflection. Set aside time to reflect on your progress and areas for improvement. Feedback loop. Use feedback from others to gain insights and make necessary changes. Building self-awareness and mastering your mindset are essential steps toward achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. By understanding yourself, embracing a growth mindset, setting smart goals, and overcoming obstacles, you can unlock your full potential and crush your goals like a pro. Remember, self-awareness is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed, keep learning, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on personal development and mindset mastery. Together, we can empower ourselves to become the best versions of ourselves. Thank you for watching.